My God, look what I found. 2 Otis Circle Lexans. We'll go up to level 1. Right, we'll do a cab view. 11 persons. Doesn't say the capacity, I'm afraid. Hold Otis badge, but this really brightened my day. I knew these would be here because a while ago, the elevator boy visited these. Levels 2, 3 and 4 are locked, so I'm going to go as high as level 1, which is the restaurant. We'll go down to ground and end it. There we go. Geez, that didn't sound good at all. There they are. There it goes. That's it.